Ine.
Reure. You see, still on Trump, there's a ripple effect. Political analysts and pundits might interpret Duria Marona. And they are largely allowed to. And you see, Trump is a comeback president.
Alikuwa.
Yes.
Akirigwa ni Joe Biden.
Yes.
Sasa amerudi.
Na nijo ni arahura muno mafoma.
Waliokuwa
kwa jadwale maguthiro magavana mare mawanta makirigwo ni arama inspiration nene muno
ona na wararahura kaundu kau ka wanta.
Yes. Munyoro ageigwo rocio ndage maidi
tayari ni ndona ni andikite congratulations kuri Donald Trump.
Yes. Munyoro no aigua ni gore America ni guchokirwo agichokire akogwo ni guchokagwo.
You see, nada nakwira siasa iniri.
Yes.
It is very easy. Gutiri ndu uko imurito ta ku defend gite uikareire.
Yes.
Incumbent ni akona kibarua kirito
muno
gukira ru mundu wenja
tondu incumbent nake maundu makere there in the open. Everyone knows them.
We wararore turake record.
Yes.
Na kio wenja ri hava ku discredit uria wikite kana uria utekite.
Thaicio na andu aria nini marugamaga na mundu wa guire ri tondu ni gutigaraga eri atatu ri riu ni marahura tuthimu nene.
Oi,
we ni ungeikia kaundu karia we irandu ni gucokagwo no urocio ugitanie no wa Trump. Andika
no gwete hau God of second chance
na wikire hashtag rwimbo rwa ruina ko ni turacoka ringi rwimbo rwa chalto ashira
washira
ni turacoka ringi na inya munene ui munene ni ungekira kaundu kau
ni kararia muno
muthi ikira andu mamenye gofa no wikuo thaiciri amenye he andu kungiuka kirife oco
ucoke.
Yes.
Na ucoke na mururumo.
Yes. Mere no uraririkana ona mundu gwitwo tinga wodia lego ri
Raila
agithura undu ucio
na ni akirite kaundu keho.
And you see
tutimo yakirite ogu
they are around the same age with Donald.
Trump is 78.
Yes.
Raila na 78 ka 79.
Au 79 nini.
Makere alika.
Wena mnasema mimi ati nimezeeka. Mimi ni kijana barubaru. Kama Trump nchi ile imeendelea zaidi kwa dunia. Wanapatia mzee mkongwe. Hata mimi bado sijazeeka. Bado niko barubaru. Na ninaweza sema ninaitisha na nipewe. You see? Na kwa America ri. Tokwa guku.
Acha.
No na guku ri. Miaka 78 ri. He ngurani ya mundu wa miaka 78 we no tonga wa Trump. And an average 78-year-old. So Trump ko akoro gori. Na mundu wa subsistence farming ri. 78 dai ko na ririo chenagba.
Ona na je akuhura kombe-ini githemba kiu.
Apana.
Ni kwaga.
No Trump uma ndege aigirite Cadillacs. Na Rolls Royce. Kiria giothe arenda. Ndaragirira ng'ombe.
Asa.
Ko Trump agiuragio gunga ni uramenya uyu. Ekiandu. Ai andu ramwe atabufare wega. Ko yanjira hite ni cecire. Aca ni muthoni wa wanja. Ya Trump tiyo ya kawaida.
Asa. Hapana.
Yes. There is a difference between aging in opulence and aging the years. Yes. Trump ri. Kono we guku ngori ngiu are gukara tuingira TikTok nigetha thekia ewa ne maranyona
mbini marakuona
aya kawaje kira ngobia acha guka niko gift wo hey kanda yo bakola no fits like this you pull them when you are somewhere financially don't know kudogi mana kule umo rugame president na one
Hapana. No.
Gakoro haria o.
Haria urauma.
Yes.
Ona Trump kule na kugeria geririo na gushinda rita ria mbere.
Yes.
Being an outsider of politics.
He was a serious outsider of politics. But he came with his wealth and charm. Yes. Todo ko una gone medete menyonyo. Menyo no thought Trump ni ale menyonyo.
Meige.
You know he actually used to be a TV show host. Nya ina tafarira yake. Yeto Trump what?
Yeto go Trump
the apprentice.
Yeah, the apprentice.
Yeto go the apprentice. Awa you fired. You fired. Leo na already mutu wa cobra squad dire. Fred Mutuania ina tafari yake.
I remember it.
Yakara. Yeto Cobra School. Yes. Niwo nake ikale ogwa. You never knew.
Maundu mambo huenda yakaja.
Ona gutwika ru Cobra School na apprentice ri. Ni indo igireke.
Tofauti.
Eyo ru ne apprentice. Na jongwa. Omanya apprentice re ena Donald Trump akona yori ya tairo kodo weto the Trump Tower. He has a skyscraper in the middle of the city. Yes. Na Trump Tower tiguhi. Yes. Na nwake na jungwa nayo eko hadu kamwebe ine. Kariyo aine leo.
That's the difference.
Tofauti ya the apprentice ya Donald Trump. Na jongwa. Na Cobra School. Na Mangoma Films. Apprentice dia ni na Jonathan. Na apprentice tio ya karati. Na toyo Kogis Corner. Kogi investor na Kogis Corner. The apprentice to Kogis Corner. Donald Trump ona hedio eka the apprentice ri kiondo ali nakio weka.
No, he has been a billionaire for
a long time. Yes.
Na ona either dario muthi.
And we are talking about a dollar billionaire. Yes.
He is coming from somewhere.
Yes. Actually looking for power just for I win the Adana. Yes. So that kid wa kiagite.
Asa. Ti ati ona ngia gwatha na ati maica make ni megucenjia.
Yes. Ojo doge igwatini athie kamuru gwetha warie.
Now you know.
Now you are aware.
Entries.
Yes.
And Jungwa.
Yeah. The Apprentice. You can Google it. It was a very good show. Yes. Yeah, Donald Trump. Yes. And now we are Tio Jungwa.
See you here.
Now.
Donald, no.
You know Donald Trump has a son called Donald Trump Jr.
Oh, yeah.
Yathungu ni metua mwana uria metagwo. Yes.
Look wake, I think ira utuko wa ira.
Yes. Aciarirwo New York thibitarĩ wetagwo Jamaica. Jamaica Hospital Medical Center in New York. Huko ndio amesaliwa. Ni oikana Barack Hussein Obama. Wendi andu aku mambite magekirira nganja guciarwo gwake. Nginya gibocwo kurehe birth certificate. Yes.
Siasa iniri. Maisha maku ni megũcungũcwo.
Wega piu.
Very deep.
Yes. Na gũgĩtuĩka birth certificate yo nĩ ta Google. No gwatuĩrio ũkĩoneka nĩ mane mũciarĩrwo waku.
Waku.
America. Tondũ gĩkĩmatho ũtaciarĩrwo kũndũ kũrĩkũ.
Kũndũ kũu.
As we speak, authoritatively we can say he's president-elect.
No, Donald J. Trump is president-elect.
Oh, yes.
Authoritatively.
That man has put up quite a serious and spirited campaign.
Nĩageria tondũ.
Yes.
Ngĩikia ritho ndagĩka cigana ũna thiru rĩ.
Yes.
He was at 71 million votes na 71,066,000.
Yes.
Na electoral votes auma na 277.
The threshold is usually 270.
270. Ũguo nĩkuga nĩ agĩkurũcĩte the 270 mark.
Yes.
Na rĩu agĩkurũcĩte hau rĩ.
He is president-elect.
You can comfortably say he is a president-elect.
Actually kũringana na maũndũ ngĩrorera thĩinĩ wa CNN rĩ. Kũratuĩka ona ici ingĩ ciothe ndigaru ingĩ nĩyo rĩu Kamala Harris rĩ. Ateithĩka.
Ona Kamala angĩoya ici ciothe ndigaru rĩ.
Yes.
Ndekinyia threshold.
Itakuwa vigumu kwake kuongoza wa Marekani. And you know you have to give it up to Donald. Tondũ rĩrĩ. Ũmenya rahĩtagwo ni former president, sitting president, and sitting vice president.
Yes.
Though never mind, he's also former president.
He's also a former president.
Yes.
With trouble and controversy in equal measure.
Yes. So no, he's equally as controversial as he's popular. Yes. And you could na campaign yake he handu hamukatapultire muno. Rimo tomorrow ntuhanike wagwo tuka weep in your favor. Haha kwarathukirio tuigana ona.
O haha misiro nĩ njirũngi.
Andu hau nĩ mambire makimwe kindu wetagwo sympathy. Na no njega.
Seems like it has worked.
Na kĩrarora gũteithia rĩ riko. You see in the US, the minute you become a presidential candidate, the CIA takes over your security. Manamurora like a sitting president. Yes.
Tondũ rĩu nake akĩrĩ ona threat no na nĩ aticĩtwo na atigĩtie hani.
Na CIA gĩũkĩrĩrwo muno. They even had to do a serious investigation. Ũkĩmenya ũhoro ũcio wekire atĩa?
Ũrĩa waumĩte.
Yes.
Rĩu he is a president-elect.
The United States of America.
Ona nĩ ekwĩndikĩrĩte.
Trust him to. I won. Fair and square. I won it. They came with armor and threats. Tried everything, but I won it. I got it. I'm the president.
No, they they are fast one.
No, they are. Na kura milioni makiria ma mirongo.
A million is 71 so far.
Yes.
71,069,000.
Nasia Kamala Harris.
Kamala Harris is at 66,151,000.
That's around so far. He started 130 million thereabout. Na ne dare.
Hey. Goko tokona aikia kura milioni cigana around is it 18
there but kinya about ni
18 towards 20.
Yes.
Na tuguthaga wiki
tumataraga athikũ mũgwanja wega kahora tũgĩcokagira na nĩ waigua kũu nĩ ira horo ciothe
ira na gũgĩũka gũkĩa rĩ tondũ rĩu kũndũ kũngĩ nĩ hĩndĩ kũrakĩa rĩ. You have a winner.
Nyamũ nĩ ndare tũgĩkona igana rĩ kĩndũ rĩ tũthuranaga Tuesday rĩkũ?
Tuesday ya mbere ya August.
Yes. Ngwĩciria tũgĩikagia kura hau tũkarĩkia gũcitara rĩu tũkĩruithia ciana ndithemba
gũkũ kura milioni igana rĩa 35.
Ona no igue kwanjia kwanĩrĩrwo nĩ kũroria andũ meyumĩria gũteithĩrĩria thirikari gũtara kura. Kĩbarũa kĩu nĩ kĩritũ. Wĩra ũcio nĩ wĩikarĩire makiraka arĩa me wabici No, we would be overwhelmed.
Ona National Tallying Center ndĩngĩkorwo Bomas.
Hapana.
No twarirwo Kasarani.
Oye Kasarani kana code open. Yes. Yes. Rĩu Trump nĩ president elect.
He is president elect.
Na tũthiĩ tũraigua andũ maumũrũrũkĩte rĩu makaraha Thika Road.
Asa, kũrĩa they don't do those things.
They are celebrating their own small ways. Rĩu gũkũ tarĩu kwanja rĩu the memorable one nĩ rĩrĩa Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta ahotanire with it was 50 plus what?
Threshold 50 plus 1.
We remember that thing. Ũrĩa arĩ hau yandĩkire hau president
elect.
TV ciothe igĩkĩra mbica yake ta ithaa igima. Twaumũrũrũka Thika Road rĩ. Twathiire na magũrũ na macuka ma TNA.
Ũkĩinaga.
Nginya museum na tũgĩcoka. Rĩu gũkũ Amerika gũtirĩ maũndũ macio ndũgũthiĩ kũingĩra andũ bara. Mũndũ waku nĩ ahota.
Mũkĩoha macuka.
Yes.
Na andũ arĩa matarahũthĩrĩte merchandise ma campaign mamarutaga hĩndĩ ĩyo.
Makamanyagia. Burire. Kũu gũtirĩ handũ gũcemania na mbarũ bara. Kũu rĩ hatirĩ handũ kũigua si uchawi
ni mabi.
Si uchawi wewe ni mabi. Oh, they're very casual. Our candidate won. He won. Donald J is in. So happy about it. He won. We love it. So happy. I have to say I'm happy about Donald. He's put up a spiritual campaign and he won the electoral college vote and the popular vote. So we're very happy. America's going to be, working the way it should be working.
Yeah.
Yes. Wathire na manini atunyirwo bendera nekinengerwo morindekai
ora matiraina ate mundu murathime ni murathime
na mathie na eguo kia Goliath.
If anything, it is Goliath who has won.
Actually, the Goliath has the one.
Quote and quote.
Oh, the other thing was to carry retinue. To carry retinue. To carry retinue. To gather to rump. No, Nadia, no, hotel material. Actually, I can even bet. During the inaugural speech. No, or the what do you call this speech?
Acceptance speech.
Yes. Yeah, accept you will hear Donald will speak very decoratively of Kamala Harris. Yes. America. No, America, we make it great again. And I want to thank Kamala Harris. Spirit up and spirited campaign. So spirited. It was so smooth. So nice. It was so nice. I want to say, give that for Kamala Harris. Now, what do you do? You can support us, Trump. So Kamala Harris, we'll play the American dream. I will make America great again. Great again. Great again. Yes, no, sorry, we can. That's Obama. Yes. I know. I'm on about you, Magadi. I know that you Yes, that's it. Give me the music. Play it again. I have it. Leo kwa tiri nasi tuliwashinda.
Wakubali tuliwagoga.
Nasi walitufukia pesa yetu. Tulifuka pesa yetu. Na tukawapiga. Na sasa tuliwapiga wakiwa paka na rais. Wakiwa paka na kiongozi wa upinzani.
Na deep state.
Na tukawapiga. No, you won't hear those kind of rhetorics. No. Kau thie mundu gathomera aria angi magiswea ini. I want to thank Kamala Harris putting up a splendid campaign, living out to the American dream and our freedom. Our freedom as America, the freedom to vote for your candidate. The candidate who won is me, J. Trump. I won fair and square. I won, it was fair and square.
Goko no nginya muturithia aria mwahota.
Goko no ureigua nginya the concession speech is not usually a small thing.
It's not.
And the supporters believe they did their best and they celebrate it. Ona matoya tegeti.
Actually ona kuhe githurano nginya moro authority.
Yes.
Muhoto agitikira ni ahoto auge public ni atikira.
Yes.
No, that election is credible.
Credible. Ko udokai wa mutu se. Tiraivi. Mr. Batusa, I'm putting it across to you. Are you with us or without us? I am with us. Mr. Batusa, it's going to get hotter. It's going to get hotter. You said, what are your technical capabilities, Mr. Batusa? I'm a lawyer. Oh, so we are speaking the same language.
That is America.
Here Kamala Harris say, I want to thank everybody that supported us. People that came out and put their finances on our splendid campaign. I want to say, we put it up. And we are the United States of America. We will take allegiance to our country and support our president. Oko, huyo mutu hana madeti ya watu.
Ugo no nginya wetherere uria ku discredit nginya githurano.
Wega biu.
Nigetho justify kuhotwo gwaku.
No, there they win and they lose and they accept and they see how they lost.
Guku no nginya wetherere ihoto.
Oh, they won Obama. We put up a very strong campaign and well, we lost. America must be great. We have to support our American president, President Trump, and I before, and I've had the power to him before, and I think our country remains the United States of America. You know, whenever they have differences in America, the minute those differences are sorted through their institutions, they go back to being all Americans.
Yes.
They
don't discredit their institutions.
No, they don't. No. Mono. From the rest of the world.
You see, you know, they are the neverorete.
Yes. You can go to Fakuri. Well.
You never think the other.
Go what did I do? You got to marry on a hopper. As it the hopper, no more. Walk us wearing in.
Kana mathigo tine mathigo chari jiri mahagire munyonyo ati mena uira roringi
okay go do kai wa peke donkey pakamielo disco lest you forget utia do kai wa the maxim of the law has always been the minimis non kirat lex my lords and your ladyship. Brother Bernard re.
The Brother Bernard.
Yes. Okay, the Brother Bernard. Ni akoragwo kanitha kwao ri. He plays a very pivotal role. Yes. In the pastors committee. The pastor. Ni mali kanitha. Uyu evangelical. Yes.
Uguo ni ako panel ini ya.
Yes. Gutiri.
Itago te National Assembly ni kuri speakers panel.
Yes. Ni akorwo hau. Rungu rwa mubi chopu wao. Ni aragethia gichagi kwao na ndanakena.
No uramurakarithia gicagi. Either wa Brother Bernard.
Yes. You see Brother Bernard ri. Ni akionirio ni ithe handu agigitemania gathunu. Na agikatia.
Na agigiaka.
Ni agikite kabungaru kega.
No ega mundu ena kamucie.
Mundu ena kamucie rugongori. Ni oka wega nduthia kuhoya ki.
Uraro.
Na ningi ni uikaraga wega ri mundu ni aigua ni wanogio ni maicha maoku Nairobi. Okay, when you want to take a break.
Yes. Ugaithio rugongo kahuruka thiko cigana ona.
Especially kwina rira rega ria kwirora ngiroguo you get it's very therapeutic you brother Bernard ri yaite manetie gathiri bedroom yake na family yaragithiete kwa rugongo kwina ndu na ni wi rugongo with the proximity of your uthiete tauge sai kwanyu kwina ndu around not more than 10 kilometers from your home ni ukona murigo wa kuhitukira
kugerera mucie
ona andu mangigua uma hau ri
na ndunaingira mucie undu ucio ndungikuo wega
ni marituhagira kidogo arakiuga hamwe na riu arata yake mekumutwarite kuu ri kana egutwarite ri akimahitukirie kwao
ona makimenye kwao
arakiuga mukuru ndangi yao tuthondekera gatubia na
tutingikimwagira gacukari
exactly maragithie were kina machapi mago wake
yathie kuira machapi
arakora mukuru wake one kumagatera gikundi no ni ero ni muroka goko muyonda ikaithano gikundi ni kire fine ndatiraga ni gikundi ni gituma mundu agutigia hau
ende agutiga kwire ona ga TV nyambe thige kundi
wira rangire tutikaraga na ni magikundi kia rugongo gitikaraga
agora ni ndeka 20
ni 20 ni mathabu mundu acoke
agakame
yes marake wa ni saba no ahingurege ni kuria gwake maikarage ku amonia ni atemanirie
ni atemanirie kamucie
amonia ngururi
na to uru
ngura ko uri de okwamba kwitukira kabari kore go igire aramera make yourselves comfortable maingira ko muchingo ri ora matungire ri no yu afuata nyuki ure asali yes maramenya wega ne
meigo Nemeigo kianda
asirika geria kumata bai mutigita sareke tutonye ni twanoga ndio no marenda kumenya yes maigirari diramu thutha weri agiri ciothe ci on stage on drum stage yayo
Nema nemeigo
aba boy madekeze ko kwao ri ako na kire uma gutwira arayuka aya kamwe guku Bernard guku niki kurathira mbere guku niki kurathira mbere guku sege niki gi guku theini ucio ni wira wa thoguo
muthenya ni arahuthira thiko ici
huthira guku ri ukiwa ukinye Wednesday ri no ndiramu yo ya mbere nduthi guku igako ikihitana kendo akumya kwenda ukeroro kanini ni ajetekeragia ngerure gafae araba kuruta ageni naja ameherie mehia ine man, no, very sorry. Bishop, I'll get to the bottom of this. Mutikamake. Koja wa mageni yogi aba utegemania ihoya. Tukuje kinyume na hayo tumeona wapi?
Kwa nyumba.
Manake huwa si kawaida yetu kuwa tunashiriki mambo kama hayo ya kidunia. Mambo kama hayo ya kidunia si yakubali kwangu, lakini nitaweza kuingia kilele nijue kiini cha mambo ambayo mmeyaona pale. Yes. Not a woody. Ajirikari. I'm ready. They did not buy the narrative. Ni mahujeti ya kukanitha ini. Hidana yana maandiko.
Mundu mwamuona guku ri.
Rugongori.
Ena kiganda.
Au. Kirosha gwake giothe.
Buruari
ni mumikimi ndu igwa turacokagira rugano rwa kana ya Galilaya hau niho arutaga uhoro ucio ndirakwira gwake sitting ginya farada ya guthie handu mundu angirugama ri atire njira ni nyamu
ibangitwo kuu
kubangwo ginya ni ciretherukia turaigua papa musingo wayo kundu ihurite ku Nia to ndametigie na ngitũrĩra gatũrũme gothingu rĩ niĩ nĩ ndaiguire ta saitani arajetha ndiramwĩra niĩ ngoro yakwa rĩ ndũngĩmĩkinyĩra
aratigirie hanini kũgwa magerio-inĩ
niĩ ndakũrirwo na maĩ maingĩ to mũcingo ũcio nĩ ũrambararie kĩgunyũ gĩakwa gĩakĩ
meria ma tene
gĩa tombo ndaigua ta ingĩtindirũka njoke na thutha ndauga wĩtĩkio wakwa ndũgũtingiario mũno makĩria nĩ ũmwe witũ ugaga nĩwe tũrĩithagia. Well, the clergy understood. I thought I was going to investigate aramenya nĩ ithe okimagira nyamũ kĩu
okimagira nyamũ nyũmba yake
aramwĩra mũthee ndauga nyamũ icio cieherio kũndũ kũu ciothe nĩ ndĩrabanga mahoya tuoka na bishop tutherie kũndũ kũu
mũtherie kĩ
mũtherie ndũ okay mũtherie kũu ndakuonia hau akani we gwateire mũgũnda wothe ningĩ ngĩmũrera rĩ ndiarĩ ngoma nĩ hĩndĩ yagĩa ngoma mũthika guocio waku arauga nĩ ũmũrehe nyambe ndĩmũhe rũhĩa ĩno nĩ ndathimi Benandi
mũthee nake ndararenga mwaki
na ningĩ mũtigũka gũkũ nyũkwa nĩ angiririe kũrugĩra gwake ngĩrehe kũu moko kĩnyingata mwĩna nyũkwa to nĩ mwagĩthomire
aingatwo kũrĩa mĩinĩ rĩu athamĩirie kwa kĩganda kwa mũrũwe
mbũngarũ kwa mũrũwe gũkũ niĩ ndĩrĩ o thoguo na gũgĩkinya nĩ gũkĩeheria rĩ ndũkĩreke ĩrĩa ĩkuehie arauga nĩ aroka na ibada ya gũtherithia na kũitĩrĩria maguta kũndũ kũrĩkũ
gũthahũrwo
mũrenda kuga wĩra ũrĩa ndĩrauta kũndũ wa mũcukani to ndamĩkimaga mũihĩ na mwathoma nayo rĩ ningĩ nyamũ ĩyo gũtirĩ kemiko ĩrekĩrwo nyamũ ĩyo ĩrarugwo na indo natural nĩkĩ we mũgũkĩnjathĩra gwakwa ko nĩ kũrĩa gwaku Kamuru na gũkũ mũtikũnjathĩra Benandi
nĩ ndarega
nimekataa nĩkĩ
nyũkwa ngiria gwake nawe nĩ warehe thĩna gwaku
ningĩ nĩ ndĩramehia gũkĩra oragani na itharia na ici oh, he's hearing none of it.
Muthenda he is not even apologetic.
Ũkũreka ngerũre no ũcoke ũke na maũndũ mau
ũragweta
yes na mũtigoke gũkũ na hoi acio kũngũmithia ithuothe tũkũmithagia caitani
na niĩ ndikĩrĩ mũcukani
mũgoka kuga atĩ mũnakunja kinyume na mimi niĩ gũtirĩ kĩndũ ndĩrathondeka kĩũru
Brother Bernard
ũkwenda piara awĩtheria rĩtwa rĩake kũu ona rĩmwe ngĩonaga ihũrĩrĩirwo ngona tarĩ yo ndarigwo mbathia icio cia matoguo rĩ nĩkĩ kĩrahithwo kũndũ kũrĩkũ
kumbe nĩ nyamũ
ngwĩciria araugĩte eheria maracererwo rĩu kũrĩa twarĩ nakuo nĩ kũrarĩkĩte tene Brother Bernard wethanire niĩ ndĩgwathwo nĩ ciana
karĩ kĩ
amba ũndaherie njagie mwe kũu nyambe ndĩmwarie rĩu no camba